What's up guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Hope you guys are having a beautiful time. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys through the process of cutting and sewing this pocket design. This outfit is actually a shirt pocket design. You can see it's a complete button down from up to down. So the major design on this outfit is the pocket, and I'll be taking you guys through the process of doing this. Just in case you're making a shirt senator outfit, you can do this design on it, or you can do any other previous video of a senator design that I've did. A link will be in the description below. So I'm going to take you guys through the process of doing this step by step. All you have to do is basically very simple. All you have to do is to give the video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe to the channel. Just a thumbs up. A thumbs up is as simple as that. Just click the like button and subscribe. That's all about it. So without further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial and let's get this rolling. So the very first thing you're going to need is to cut your pocket size. So right here, I've used my interfacing. This is a collar stay. As always, I've cut my pocket size. The wideness of the pocket is going to be a total of 5 inches, as you can see right here, because I want it to be bogus in the chest. And the length, the height is going to be 6.5 inches. So you have that. So the gumming part of the interfacing is what I'll be ironing to the fabric itself. So right here, I'm just going to iron it to the fabric. You can see. Just take your time and make sure it is glued to the fabric itself. So after that is glued to the fabric itself, all you have to do is just to simply fold your main pocket. You're going to fold all of the angles and all of the side. So the next thing you're going to do now is to cut the strap that cover the pocket itself. So inside of the strap, I'll be using an interfacing. Also, this is a collar stay. Also, I cut it at a total of 3/4 of an inch. You can see that. I cut at a total of 3/4 of an inch, and the fabric is cut at a total of 3 inches. So I will have something to fold and turn up. So I need you guys to pay attention. So make sure you're working with the wrong side of the fabric. So this is the wrong side. All I'll be doing now is to simply iron it to the fabric so I can sew it and do a turn up on the fabric itself. There are several ways in which you can do this, but because I want it to be a little bit strong, that's why I had to use an interfacing, right? So all I'll be doing now is just to simply iron this, and I'm going to iron the second one also. Then we can take it to the sewing machine and do the sewing. So after ironing it and after sewing in, this is what we are going to be having. You can see this is what this is going to look like. You see what I have here. So I'm going to simply iron it open. Sorry for the black cable that is showing on my screen, sorry about that. So after I get that, after I open the stitch, I'm going to simply make a cuff right here. You can see here. So I'll be able to like stitch that place in order to give me that sharp edge. In order to give me the sharp edge, I'm going to simply stitch that face. So I'm going to do the same thing on the second one also, and I'm going to stitch it and do a turn up. So after doing the turn up and after folding my pockets, this is what my pocket is going to be. So I'm going to get the angle in which I want the pocket to be on the shirt itself. And here I have to measure what I will be folding and what I want to expose on the pocket area. So here I'll be cutting out 6.5 inches so that I will have something that will go inside, and I'll also have something that will be overlapping. So here I'm just going to cut out 6.5 inches. You can see I don't need all of this. I'm just going to cut out my 6.5 inches. So after cutting out the 6.5 inches, this is what I'm going to have. You can see here. So this is what I'll be stitching to the fabric. So basically very simple. I'm just going to simply put this underneath the pocket. You can see, just like this, underneath the pocket. This is how I want it to overlap. You can see that. And also this down part also, that's how I want it to overlap. You can see that. So all I had to do now is to basically take this to the sewing machine and simply stitch it all around. And after that, I'm going to put my button on the edge. I already make a video on how to do this button also. So let me stitch it and show you guys the final result. This is what we are going to be having. You can see it's actually a very simple and classic design. If you like the video, don't forget to hit and smash that thumbs up button. It's very simple. Just click the like button. It's as simple as that. And that's about it on this video. I already make several videos for you guys. A link will be in the description below on how to do the press button and several others like that. And I single-handedly select a particular video you are seeing on the screen right now. So you should watch that next. Watch this one on the screen, or watch this one on the right, or the one on the left. Or if you're yet to subscribe, smash that subscribe button at that particular center part that show my picture.